Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Faiz Shirman bin Matno and my matrix number is 14DTK22F1044.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noorina Jazmira and my matrix number is 14DTK22F1038.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nushaza Arifah binti Baharudin and my matrix number is 14DTK22F1005.
My name is Dinashkina binti Roza Hashimi. My matrix number is 14DTK22F1003.
First of all, a stationary point on a curve occurs when dy over dx equal to 0. Once we have established where there is a stationary point, either it is maximum or minimum or point of inflection. They can be determined by using the second derivative. If d square y over dx over than 0, which is positive, it is minimum point. If d square y over dx less than 0, which is negative, it is maximum point. Lastly, if d square y over dx is equal to 0, it is point of inflection. So this is the example question. The question is for the following equation below. Determine the stationary point whether it is maximum, minimum or inflection point. The equation given is y equal to x cubed minus 3x plus 2.
So, how to solve this problem? Step 1, we need to differentiate the equation. We need to use a formula of differentiate that is a composite rule. The way to differentiate is the value of the power is carried forward and the root of the power must be subtracted by 1 as written in the sample answer. As we know, 3x is 3 power of 1. So, when it is a differentiate, the power of 1 needs to be subtracted by 1, so the value will be a 3 only. And if we differentiate 2, we got a 0. So, we got the answer is a dy per dx equal 3x square subtract 3. After step 1, we got a new equation. So, we need to put that equal to 0. So, that will be a dy per dx equal 3x square subtract 2 equal 0. After that, using the calculator to solve that equation, the answer will be a x equal 1 and x equal. Okay, now I want to show you how to get the answer in the step 2 by using the calculator. First, we must press the menu or setup and look for the menu for equation or function. After that, we press the button equal to. After that, we press the button 2 and press the button 2 again because the equation for the question is the power of 2. After that, we enter the value according to the correct space. Make sure to enter in the correct space and do not make a mistake. After entering the value, press equal to and we will get the answer which is 1 and negative 1. That's all.
So I'm going to continue the next step, which is step 3. We have to find the corresponding y value, which is y equal to x cubed minus 3x plus 2. Next, we have to substitute x equal to 1 into the equation. So it will be y equal to 1 cubed minus 3 times 1 plus 2 and equal to 0. For the next, substitute x equal to negative 1 into the equation. So y equal to negative 1 cubed minus 3 times negative 1 plus 2 equal to 4. So the stationary points are at 1, 0 and negative 1, 4.
Step 5, we want to find what kind of type the stationary point is. We already found the y point, now we want to find the x point. So we use formula d square y per dx square to find either it is maximum, minimum or inflection point. So it will be d square y per dx square equal to 6x. The first one, when the x is 1, we replace it in the formula. So it will be d square y per dx equal to 6 in bracket 1. In bracket means multiply. So 6 multiply 1, the answer that we will get is 6, which is positive. The second one, when the x is negative 1, we replace the x as negative 1. So it will be d square y per dx equal to 6 in bracket negative 1. So 6 multiply to negative 1, the answer that we will get is negative 6, which is negative. So 1, 0 is the minimum point and negative 1, 4 is the maximum point. Last but not least, this is the graph that we will get from the equation by using Desmos graph. That's all from us. Thank you.